Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Berkel Home Line Plus 250 Matte Red represents an innovation in kitchen design and performance. This device is ideal for slicing cured meats, fish, cheese, fruits, vegetables, and bread, combining elegance and functionality. Its compact size makes it suitable for any kitchen, while ensuring a professional user experience. The advanced technical features of the Berkel Home Line Plus 250 include a 250mm chrome-plated steel blade, ensuring a perfect and uniform cut, reducing waste. Among its distinctive features are the blade opening lever with 18 positions for millimetric adjustment, an inclined cutting plate that utilizes gravity to facilitate cutting, and a continuous profile blade guard that improves the stability and smoothness of the product to be cut. The professional motor offers excellent cutting performance even for the hardest products. Additionally, the integrated NFC tag provides exclusive pre- and post-sale content. The Berkel Home Line Plus 250 Matte Red Slicer stands out as a high-quality product, perfect for those seeking professional performance combined with elegant and innovative design. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.